Hey guys, welcome back to Elan App. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix TikTok streak feature not showing. So there's a few things that you need to do here for you to fix this issue. So one of them is to make sure that you're using the latest version of the TikTok app. In this case, go ahead and open up Google Play Store here and look for TikTok. In this case, if you see any update button next to it, it means that you're not using the current or updated version. So go ahead and click on the update button and wait for it to update. Once the update is complete, there's still a few things you need to do here. So in this case, look for the TikTok or TikTok app here. Press and hold on it, and you want to click on app info. Now from here, click on clear data, put it at the bottom right here, and click on clear cache and click on OK. Now, once you've done that, what you need to do is you just need to open up TikTok here and see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan App. Thank you for watching.